just out on the Rio Grande, and there's this little casita that's for sale for 120, and I just thought I needed to do you the video to show you how it all works. So we're in a little barriada. So there's a couple of houses around. There's a house there, a house here. There is the house, and this is the little track with another neighbour there. So you come up this little track, which is sort of behind Gran Salvi, and this is the little house here. It has a parking space. Little entrance porch, which is handy, with a barbecue and the wash area. So then we go into a fair sized lounge, which has the TV on the wall. It's got two windows in here. There's another window there. That's the staircase that goes to the hydraulic roof system that takes you out onto the terrace. Fair sized kitchen, with a little window. Looks out onto the parking area. And then there's two good sized bedrooms, so that's two doubles. Got this shower room here that's shared. And the second bedroom, which is a double, with a window out looking onto the field. So with a little bit of modernisation, this could make an absolutely fabulous little Airbnb, or a bolt hole that you just come out to at weekends or something, or just for a small couple or single person, could make a great home.